My topic today is on anger management in marital relationship. Anger, as we all know, is a natural emotion that can arise in any relationship, and marital relationship is not an exception. However, unmanaged anger can lead to hurt feelings, conflicts, or even it can damage the relationship. So it is crucial to manage anger properly in order to have a fulfilling, healthy, and supportive relationship. Having said that, I want us to look at the different types of anger. We have three types of anger. The first one is passive anger. Passive anger can also be manifested in silent treatments. Both parties might know the trigger of this code word, but no one wants to soft pedal, no one wants to condescend low to apologize to ensure there is a ceasefire. The second type of anger is the aggressive type of anger. This is expressed in verbal or physical outbursts. It can also lead to fights. The third type of anger is assertive anger. Assertive anger. This type of anger is the type of anger that is expressed in a respectful manner, in negotiative form, and I could say this is even the best type of anger and is usually resolved easily. Having said that, I want us to look at the triggers of anger. There are many things that can cause spark of anger, but I just want us to look at very few. We have fear, insecurity, distrust, communication issue, also unmet expectation when both parties are unable to meet up their expectation. Unresolved resentment can trigger anger. Having talked about the different types of anger and some of the triggers of anger, it is important for us to now know how to manage anger in marital relationship. The Bible in Ephesians chapter 4 verse 26 recognizes that anger is a natural feeling, and I quote that particular verse. Ephesians chapter 4 verse 26. It says, "Be angry and do not sin. Do not let the sun go down on your anger." If you look at the last portion of this verse, it says, "Do not let the sun go down on your anger." It means there is a time frame here of which you must get angry. Don't let your anger to be uncontrolled in such a way that it will exceed days, weeks, months, and thereabouts. There is a time frame here. So it is crucial you know this time frame for you to build a loving relationship. Anger can be managed in marital relationship by identifying the triggers of anger. Those things that spark off anger between you and your partner need to be recognized and settled. Don't pretend as if you don't know the likes or dislikes of your partner. Don't be pretentious about it. Ensure you recognize them. Once you know them, know how to avoid the dislikes. That way, anger is well managed. Take time out of the scene of the anger events. Step off. That will help you manage your anger. Another one, and so important, is work on yourself. Don't always feel it's the other party that needs to change. You need to work on yourself. If you want the other party to change, first of all, become the change agent. That way, anger can be managed in a relationship. And I want you to recognize that controlling anger is a conscious effort. You need to be aware that you want to control anger, and you need to make up your mind to control your anger before that can be done. So it is important for you to manage your anger. Learn how to control yourself. Unresolved conflicts need to be resolved. Ensure you settle past resentment so it doesn't come up anytime you are angry. By understanding and managing anger, you can strengthen and build a supportive, loving, and fulfilling connection with your partner. That brings me to the end of this topic, anger management. I hope this helps one or two persons. Thank you for your rapt attention.